Hi, this video is about me convincing you to read Normal People by Sally Rooney, or maybe if you have never read any Sally Rooney's book, then make this your first book. I know a lot of people will come and tell me that no, let Conversation with Friends be your first book. But I feel like this is a perfect book, like 264 pages, and it delivers in the best of way. The writing style is so beautiful, the delivery of emotions is so beautifully done. Now, if you like Hallmark romance, don't go into this book. Don't go into this book thinking it's a Hallmark romance book, a guy, a girl, romance, the arc, and the story is finished. No, that's not the story. That is not this book will give you. Please just understand that this book, I personally feel that romance is on the back foot, but the book delivers much more than romance. Now, this story is about two people, Marianne and Colonel, and the story is of them coming of age. The story starts from January 2011 and goes till 2014. So basically 6 years of their life when they're in high school and then they go into college. There are a lot of miscommunications in the book, and I understand that is what is annoying for a lot of people. A lot of people don't like it because of the miscommunication, a lot of maybes, but I personally liked it because if you like, I thought about the book as somebody who's entering college or somebody who's just graduating school, and there are a lot of maybes and a lot of miscommunication and a lot of narratives that you make on your own, and that leads to a lot of miscommunication, and that is a part of growing up. That is how it is always. The book also captures beautifully that there's like I said, two characters, Marianne and Colonel. Marianne is somebody who doesn't care what people think about her, and she just does what she want to do. And Colonel is somebody who is a people pleaser. He wants to feel belonged. He would never do something which he thinks is not socially acceptable. He wants to lead a normal life. But what is normal at the end of the day? Your normal can be different than others' normal. That is what this book will make you think. And he's very conscious and very, like, things are so big in his head that he can't take certain steps that he should be taking it. And then it's just disheartening. But you understand, there's somebody who's just growing up. There are things which are so petty, but it's so big in their head. Apart from that, I think both have different things in their life that the other person want. Colonel has a loving family, which Marianne doesn't have, and Marianne has a lot of wealth, which Colonel doesn't have, and there's this insecurity in both of their hearts for the other person, what they have and the other person doesn't have. So I would like really urge you that when you have a good amount of free time, please go ahead and read this. You will sit with the book, ponder on a lot of things, and ponder on a lot of lines that Sally has written here, and you would love it. So do give this a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.